Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to clip on this mat clips. They usually come from factory, put in the back of the mat. What you want to do first is take them out from underneath the mat. Already done this one, so you can just pull it out and push the mat forward. What you want to look for is this space right here. You want to take that out. After pulling that out of the way, you can see that there is an exposed hole where you can clip this part of the mat. So to clip it, you fold it and then insert it. Now that it's inserted, to hold it in place, you will have to flip this down to hold it in place and clip it. There you go. Your two mat holders are now done. All you have to do is clip them in place and your mat is not going anywhere.